Canada, the second largest country in the world, is so massive that it's divided into 10 provinces and 3 territories. British Columbia. Think mountains, rainforests, and the Pacific Ocean. British Columbia is home to Vancouver, one of the most livable cities in the world, and Whistler, a paradise for skiers. Plus, it has some of the tallest trees on Earth. Welcome to Cowboy Country, Alberta. Alberta is famous for the Calgary Stampede, the stunning Rocky Mountains, and huge oil reserves. And let's not forget Banff National Park, basically nature's postcard. Saskatchewan. Flat? Yes. Boring? No. Saskatchewan is Canada's breadbasket, producing tons of wheat. Fun fact, you can watch your dog run away for 3 days because of the endless prairie views. Manitoba. Ever heard of polar bear capital of the world? That's Churchill, Manitoba. This province is also home to thousands of lakes, and if you visit in winter, you might see the northern lights dancing in the sky. Ontario, Canada's most populated province, home to Toronto, the CN Tower, and Niagara Falls. It's also where you'll find Ottawa, the capital of Canada. If Canada had a main character, Ontario would probably be it. Bonjour. Quebec is the French-speaking heart of Canada. With cobblestone streets, old castles, and croissants everywhere, Quebec City feels like a mini Europe. And let's not forget poutine fries, gravy, and cheese curds, a culinary masterpiece. New Brunswick. Ever seen a river reverse its flow? That happens at the Bay of Fundy, which has the highest tides in the world. This province is also famous for lobsters, so come hungry. Nova Scotia, a maritime gem with lighthouses, seafood, and Celtic music. Halifax is one of Canada's biggest ports, and the Cabot Trail is a scenic drive you need to see. Prince Edward Island, the smallest province, but packed with charm. Prince Edward Island is famous for red sand beaches, potatoes, and Anne of Green Gables, a book so popular that tourists come from Japan just to see where it was set. Newfoundland and Labrador. This place has icebergs, puffins, and some of the friendliest people on Earth. It's also home to the easternmost point in North America, and its capital, St. John's, is known for its colorful row houses and wild ocean views. The 3 territories. Yukon. If you love gold rush history, endless mountains, and the midnight sun, Yukon is for you. It's home to Canada's highest peak, Mount Logan, and has some of the coldest temperatures ever recorded in North America. Northwest Territories. This place is so remote, but it's where you'll see the best northern lights in the world. It's also home to Great Slave Lake, one of the deepest lakes on Earth. And the capital, Yellowknife, is a hub for Arctic adventure. Nunavut. Welcome to the true north. Nunavut is the largest and most remote territory, covering nearly 20% of Canada's land. It's home to the Inuit people, polar bears, and ice-covered landscapes that look straight out of a nature documentary.